back for more. Good to see you, friends. We are on Chapter 9, Lesson 1 today, and it's Part 1 of Lesson 1, multiplying decimals. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to look proudly out at the world and say that I can multiply tenths and hundredths by a one-digit whole number. Alrighty, let's do this. So they're talking about doing 2/10 by 4. Method 1, you could use a number line divided into tenths, where you literally count 2/10 at a time 4 times to get 8/10. Pretty slick, eh? Or you could use a place value chart where you put 2/10 on your place value chart 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and you get a total of 8/10. And there you go. All right. Don't get too caught up what she's trying to say there. I'll tell you right now, when we're doing this thing, multiplication works differently than division and or addition and subtraction in regards to the decimal point. Okay, right now we're just kind of trying to use some number sensey type stuff to do this. Okay. Same thing if we're doing 2 and 4/10 times 3. There's 2 and 4/10. There's 2 and 4/10. There's 2 and 4/10, and you end up with 6 and 12/10. And what they're doing is regrouping. They're taking 10 of these and dumping them over into the one, or converting them to the one spot, like taking 10 pennies and making a dime, right? So then those 10/10 came over and became a single one. So you got 7 and 2/10. 2 and 4/10 times 3 is 72. Pretend the decimal doesn't exist. 24 times 3 is 72. So 2 and 4/10 times 3, 7 and 2/10. 24 times 3, 72. Okay, the decimal isn't really, it's not changing the computation, which it shouldn't. It's just, you got to be mindful of where the decimal goes, and there's ways to figure that out. Okay, multiply, write the product as a decimal. They're suggesting that you use the number line. Pause me. I'm going to restart in 3, 2, 1. All right, 2 times 3/10, 2 times 3 oranges, 2 times 3 pizzas is 6/10, or 0 and 6/10. Not so bad, right? Right. Okay. Here. Oh, they're showing us 3 times 6/10 is, so 1, 2, 3 times 6/10 is, that's right, 18/10. You take 10 of those and drop them over here. You have 1, 1, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/10, or 1 and 8/10. Right there. You with me? All right. Carry on, my students. Oh, okay. Pause me, do these, then we'll circle back and compare, and then we'll argue loudly if we disagree on anything. Okay? Go. I'm going to start up again in okay, let's hope this is what we got. 6/10, 4 and 8/10, 9 and 8/10, 25 and 9/10. Okay? The 3 times 7 is 21. The 7 times 7/10 is 49/10, or 4 and 9/10, or 4 and 9/10. 21, give you 25. Okay? Hey, fun fact, 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 8 is 48, 49 times 2 is 98, 37 times 7 is 259. Start making connections, friends. Oh my goodness, I'm setting a land speed record. All right, ponder that, go work on most likely these 2 workbook pages, or continue to part 2 if your teacher is doing this lesson in one day. And there's an exit slip for you, an IXL lesson, blah, 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 blah. that jazz. Good luck. I believe in you. Then I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.